Look at this old boy, Max. At 15, his legs aren't what they used to be. Every step is a challenge, but today he was determined. He nudged my hand, whimpered at the door, and stared at his leash. I knew what he wanted. One last trip to our park. So, I carefully helped him into the car, and we drove to the place where he chased countless squirrels and made so many furry friends. He couldn't run anymore, but he didn't need to. He slowly padded along his favorite path, sniffing the familiar scents of grass and earth. We found our special bench, the one under the big oak tree. He rested his head on my lap, his tired eyes looking out at the sunset. We just sat there, together, soaking in the quiet beauty of it all. It was a perfect goodbye. Thanks for watching.